Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you want to increase your income but don't know where to start? Look no further, because in this video, we're going to show you 5 proven ways to increase your income. Whether you're just starting out in your career or you're looking to supplement your current income, there are plenty of ways to bring in more money. So make sure you stay with us until the end of this video, because everything we'll show you here can make you money. So let's get started. Number 1. Start freelancing. One of the best ways to increase your income is by freelancing. This means taking on projects outside of your day job, using your skills and expertise to help others. Freelancing can be done in a variety of fields, from writing and graphic design to programming and consulting. And with the rise of platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, it's never been easier to connect with clients and start earning extra money. Freelancing can also give you the flexibility and freedom to work on your own terms. You can choose the projects you take on and set your own schedule. This can be especially beneficial for those who have families or for those who want to travel. Additionally, freelancing can also open up new opportunities and connections. You'll have the chance to work with different clients and companies, which can lead to new job offers or even the chance to start your own business. Of course, freelancing isn't for everyone. It requires a certain level of self-motivation and discipline. But if you're willing to put in the work, it can be a great way to increase your income and take control of your financial future. So there you have it, the first way to increase your income, freelancing. Stay tuned for the next 4 ways to increase your income. Number 2. Create a passive income stream. Another great way to increase your income is by creating a passive income stream. This means earning money without having to actively work for it. There are many ways to create passive income, such as investing in real estate, creating an online course, or even starting a YouTube channel. The key is to find something you're passionate about and put in the work up front, so that it can continue to earn you money in the long run. Creating a passive income stream can be a great way to build long-term financial stability. For example, investing in real estate can give you a steady stream of rental income, and creating an online course can continue to make you money through sales and marketing. Starting a YouTube channel can also be a great way to create passive income. As long as you're able to build a sizable audience, ad revenue and sponsorships can provide a steady stream of income, even when you're not actively creating new content. Creating a passive income stream, on the other hand, does require an initial investment of time and money. It's important to do your research and understand the potential risks and rewards before diving in. Keep in mind that creating a passive income stream is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, effort, and patience to see results, but with the right approach, it can be a great way to increase your income and achieve financial freedom. So there you have it, the second way to increase your income, creating a passive income stream. Keep watching for the next 3 ways to boost your income. Number 3. Look for ways to increase your salary. If you're happy with your current job, but want to earn more money, you should look for ways to increase your salary. This can be done by asking for a raise or by taking on additional responsibilities. Make sure you're prepared to have a solid argument for why you deserve a raise. Do your research, show your accomplishments, and be willing to negotiate. It's important to know the market value of your skills and experience when looking for ways to increase your salary. Research industry standards and salaries for comparable positions, and use this information as leverage in negotiations. In addition to showing your accomplishments, it's also important to demonstrate your value to the company. Explain how your work has helped the company achieve its goals, and how you plan to continue contributing in the future. It's also critical to be strategic when asking for a raise. Timing can be key. It's often best to ask for a raise during a performance review or after a significant accomplishment. Remember, salary negotiations are a two-way conversation. Be prepared to listen to your boss's perspective and be open to compromise. If your raise request is not granted, ask for feedback and understand the reasons behind it. So there you have it, the third way to increase your income. Look for ways to increase your salary. The next 2 ways to boost your income are coming soon. Number 4. Start a side business. Starting a side business can also be a great way to increase your income. This can be anything from selling products online to providing a service in your community. A side business can be a lot of work, but it can also be incredibly rewarding. Not only will you be earning extra money, but you'll also be building something of your own. It can also provide you with the opportunity to pursue your passions and interests. Whether it's creating handmade crafts or providing a service such as tutoring or pet sitting, you can turn something you love into a profitable venture. Starting a side business can also give you the freedom to be your own boss and set your own hours. This can be especially beneficial for those who have a 9-to-5 job and want to have more control over their time and income. However, a side business can also be risky. It requires time, money, and resources. It's important to do your research and create a solid business plan before diving in. You should also be prepared to handle the responsibilities of running a business, including accounting, marketing, and customer service. A side hustle also requires patience and persistence. It may take time before you start seeing a profit, but with the right approach, it can be a great way to increase your income and achieve your financial goals. So there you have it, the fourth way to increase your income, starting a side business. And now for the final, but not least method of increasing your income. Number 5. Invest in yourself. Finally, one of the best ways to increase your income is by investing in yourself. This means taking the time to improve your skills and knowledge so that you can be more valuable to your employer or clients. Investing in yourself can take many forms, from formal education and certifications to self-study and online courses. It's important to identify the skills that are in demand in your industry and make a plan to acquire them. Additionally, investing in yourself can also mean investing in your personal development. This can include learning new languages, developing your public speaking skills, or learning how to effectively manage your time and finances. Investing in yourself can also mean networking and building relationships. This can include attending industry events, joining professional organizations, or even volunteering in your community. Remember, investing in yourself is not just about increasing your income, but also about improving your overall quality of life and well-being. It's about taking control of your future and creating opportunities for yourself. Now you know the fifth and final way to make more money: invest in yourself. By following these 5 ways, you can take control of your financial future and increase your income. Remember, it takes time, effort, and patience to see results, but the reward is definitely worth it. Have you followed any of these ways to increase your income? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more videos on finance and money.